Come away with me to the bird bar. Come join the bird bar, fun and games there'll be. Come and see what's on at the bird bar.
What a windy day. Who'll be first to the bird bath? Here comes Mo Sparrow. It's tricky weather for flying.
Steady now. Way. Crumbs, that wind is strong. Are you all right, Bob? Bob?
Poor Bob Robin. The wind must have knocked him off course. I wonder where he's got to. From high in the sky, Mo Sparrow can see the whole garden. There's Jackie Blackbird and Baby. I hope the wind doesn't blow their nest away. And there's Bob.
Hello, Mo. Look at this. Do you know what it is?
I think it's a huima.
What's a huima?
A kind of animal.
Why isn't it moving?
Maybe it's asleep.
You mean was asleep?
Watch out!
The huima wants to play. Come on, Mo.
What if it's dangerous? It can't see very well.
It's going to crash. Jenny Wren, what were you doing under there?
I was looking for beetles when suddenly everything went dark.
The huima must have gobbled you up.
The huima?
It's an animal, isn't it, Mo? Mo?
I'm in here!
Oh no! Now the huima has eaten up Mo.
Don't worry, Bob. The huima is not an animal. It's just something the wind has blown into the garden.
Help!
First it blew on top of me, now it's blown on top of Mo. Watch.
Be careful.
She's right, Bob. There's nothing inside but the wind.
So it's not dangerous?
Not dangerous at all.
What's the wind blown in today? A scary kind of animal going to carry me away. Went Jenny, ran into the breeze, caught by the huima and it's heading for the tree. Goes crash, over it goes. It's let go of Jenny, but now it's got Mo's now caught. Disappears then, the wind starts to blow and Mo's free again. Jenny and Mo start to giggle away. It's a funny kind of animal being blown. They say it's no animal, it's only a thing that's been blown and caught and oddly turned around by the wind. Still blows. The huima keen to catch every gust of the wind. It seems to be alive, like a kite it wants to fly. Will it ever say hello before it jumps into the sky?
in the tree, Jackie Blackbird is also having trouble with the weather.
I do wish this wind would stop blowing.
Watch out, Jackie. That nest doesn't look very stable.
Baby, help somebody, help!
Mo, Bob and Jenny look up to see what all the fuss is about.
That looks like baby blackbird's nest.
It is baby blackbird's nest.
And it's heading for the tree. Baby, help, help!
I've got an idea. Bob, Jenny, take a hold of the huima flip. We're going to the rescue.
To the right a bit. No, to the left. To the right. That's it. Hooray! Thank you all so much for saving my baby.
It wasn't us, it was the huima flip.
The huima flip?
We don't know what it is, but it's brilliant at catching babies.
It certainly is. But what am I going to do about my nest?
Why don't you use the huima flip?
Baby is happy.
There's even something to tie it to the tree, so the wind can't blow it away again. What a wonderful idea! And it's big enough for all of us.
So the friends settle safely out of the wind in the huima flip. And although they still don't know what a huima flip is, they all agree it makes the best nest ever. That's all from the Bird Bath today. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and what fun there's been. See you the very next time at the Bird Bath.